I'm gonna do a final quick walkthrough. We just got the listing price and the bank is coming out at $641,250. Yep, 641K. So I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough. I'm gonna talk about some of the things that you would need to be aware of, things that I see or have seen. Now there's no reports, there's no inspections, nothing like that. So it's all basically just from the visual inspections. But if you can't see the property in person, hopefully this video will give you a really good understanding of how much work this home needs. Let's talk about a couple of the really good points first, and that's the location. The location here is just incredible. It's one of the best locations in Pensacola. Now it's not waterfront, but it does have a water view from the second story. So right across the street from the water, you can see 3 Mile Bridge from here. So you're close to downtown, you're close to Gulf Breeze and the beach. The location is just awesome. Second, it's a brick home, 2-story brick. So the brick's a great, advantage. And it has a 2-car garage with a 1-bedroom apartment above it. So there's a couple of really, really good positive things. But the biggest negative is strictly the condition. And this house and property needs a ton of work. For instance, both roofs are gonna have to be replaced. And the main house is a slate roof. And I've been told that could be a minimum of $50K just for the roof on this house. You can see the detached garage. It's got to have a new roof. Second, windows. All these windows are original wood windows. You can see the peeling paint. A lot of them have lots of rot. So all these windows are going to have to be replaced. And there are a ton of them. Not only in the main house, but in the apartment garage. And you can see more of the roof here in the back. Another good point, though, I did forget, it does look like it has a really new HVAC system. So now I've only seen one for the whole house. I don't know if that's even realistic, but at least that is new. So there's another perk. But you're gonna see a lot of wood rot. You can see like this door right here, this door is just shot. I mean, that whole thing's gotta be replaced. This little bay window, so lots of exterior wood rot. Okay, so we're walking in the back door. You have stairs leading up to the back part of the second story. You have a little kitchen area, breakfast nook, whatever you want to call it. This room's not all that bad. I mean, a lot of the kitchen you could probably work with. The cabinets look to be in pretty good condition, but you have 2 different types of countertops and 2 different styles. I don't get that, but now all the appliances, of course, have been removed, and that refrigerator is total junk, and the dishwasher left behind is total junk. But the cabinets, the floor, I mean, it might be the best part of the house. Okay, so here's the dining room area. It's not all that bad. Just wallpaper. But that's the inside of that window that's got all the wood rot on the outside of it. Okay, so we have 2 bedrooms downstairs. Here's your only bathroom downstairs. Sorry it's dark in here, but there's no lights basically that work in this house. There are no light fixtures. And electrical is going to have to be on the list for updating, and I'll show you why. But most of these outlets are all two-prong, non-grounded throughout the house, so that's an issue. So roof, windows, electrical upgrade. I have no idea about the plumbing, so that could be a question mark. But the floor in this bedroom's actually in pretty good shape. It doesn't look that bad so far, but wait. So here's the living room. And this floor is where you've got some damage. And this room here is trashed. I mean, the whole thing's got to just about probably be redone. Look how much rot. All these cabinets here are toast. All right, so let's check upstairs. So this is another bonus room. I don't know really what you would call it, but this is the little balcony that's definitely got to be redone or replaced. I mean, I don't even want to walk out there. You might fall through, but you can tell though, barely, because we're having a really bad weather day, but you can see the water in the bridge. You can see Gulf Breeze over there in the distance, basically. Okay, so let's see. And here's another upstairs living room with more ceiling damage. Another fireplace. You've got another porch out here, but it's just covered in leaves and debris. I mean, it needs to be cleaned off. So this is, I mean, I'm sure this is all got to be redone. So there's a good look at the roof. And this, look how much, gosh, it's ridiculous. Okay, well, if that wasn't weird enough, it gets weirder. You've got this room, which looks like it was a bedroom, but they wanted to put maybe a shower in it. I don't know. It's crazy. More damage. Okay, so and here's another bathroom that looks like it just had a sink and a toilet in it. It's a good sized little space though. And in the very back upstairs you have, oh, here's the stairs going back down to to the back door. That's not good. And there's a little laundry room area back here in the very back. Okay, and you got more floor damage. See, I mean, that's not good. So you've got another bedroom on this back part of the house. These are nice sized bedrooms though. I know this is over 15 feet. But you can tell it's all this wood rot's not good. Then you have another full bathroom right here. It's got character. Okay, and here is another bedroom on the front part of the house. This is where the front porch was, area that was covered in leaves. You can see these doors they're shot. I mean, they're just about rotted out. And this is a room that has the monkeys. There's one in each corner. Okay, so here is the garage with apartment. I mean, not much to it. You do have a garage door opener on one side, but who knows if that even works. You've got another laundry room area back here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it that well, but back here you have a hot water tank that's definitely got to be replaced. It's definitely over 15 years of age. It's got rusted bottom. You can't see it very well, but okay, so I mean, that part's not bad. But let's check out the apartment. So it looks like most of this siding is stucco and some wood, which you can see all the paint chips. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of painting needed this property for sure. So you have a little living room area. I'm going to show you the kitchen. And the bathroom. Neighbor's backyard. I mean, you could live in the apartment here and renovate the house. But not bad. Okay, so there's the apartment. Just to show you how nice and the neighborhood and neighbors' houses are. Let me look at that. Really nice. And this is $1 million neighborhood. A lot of these houses are selling for 1.3, 1.2. I mean, well over $1 million. Okay, that's it. $641,000. Now, this corporate seller will not entertain any offers for the first 10 days in the market. They want the property to get out there, to get saturated, to get syndicated to, you know, all the websites, all that kind of stuff. So they won't entertain any offers for 10 days, but 641, this seller will not make any repairs, period. I mean, even if you wanted them to, they will not do it. So it's strictly as is.